Hello everyone and welcome back to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Google account onto the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you will see the option to create a new account or login. Now, if you have created a new account recently, then you will be taken into the game and you can start playing right away. Once you have completed a few levels, exit the game and then open it once again. And now from the main menu, tap on account linking. This will now take you into the data linking page. Here you can tap on Google account linking. And now you can choose from a list of Google accounts that you have within your phone. Just tap on your preferred account and then agree with the terms and conditions. And now you will get a notification letting you know that your account has successfully been linked. You will also see the linked option at the top. And this means that your chosen Google account has now been linked to your game. Now all of the progress that you make further will be saved within this account. And whenever you log back into the game, you can use this Google account to recover your progress once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Google account on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.